Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to use Canva for motion graphics. Okay, so using Canva for motion graphics involves leveraging its animation features to create dynamic and engaging visual content. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to get started. So first and foremost, you have to access Canva's animation features. So log into Canva or sign up if you haven't already. Create a new design or an opening or an existing one that you could basically want to use and animate. Ensure that your Canva subscription includes access to the animation feature, as long as some features may be restricted to Canva Pro, and design your graphics as you normally would. Keep in mind that how elements will move and transition. Use Canva's templates elements example, and text tools also to create visually appealing content. So once your design is on par, click the element or text as you want to animate. In the top toolbar, select the animate options. It looks like a star icon with dots around it. So choose from various animations such as fades, slide, rise, etc. These are basic animations that you could apply on individual elements. So animating elements as well, to animate multiple elements or groups. Select all elements if you want to, and choose an animation style that suits your design. Adjust the duration and delay of each animation in the timeline that appears at the bottom screen. Fine-tuning, of course. So preview the project by clicking the play button on the timeline. Adjust the timing and sequencing of animations, of course, to achieve desired effects. So Canva's animation features allows you to control how elements enter and exit, basically, and move within your design. And once satisfied, you can just go ahead. Choose your appropriate format for this one, guys. MP4 or GIF is basically advised. Perhaps the most important tips for using Canva is to keep it simple. Canva's animation capabilities are more suited for basic animations rather than complex motion graphics, basically. Sketch out your animation ideas beforehand to streamline the design process, guys. So try different animation styles and timings, and to find what works best for your content. Combine with other tools for advanced motion graphics, considering exporting elements from Canvas and importing them into video editing softwares. And accessing Canva's animation feature. And basically, that's all there is. Multiple elements to animate multiple elements, basically simultaneously. Select all elements that you want to animate together, if that's what you should wish. Apply animation and select the desired animation style. Canva allows you to adjust the duration of the delay of each animation. You can also preview animations in real time to fine-tune their timing and sequencing. So, timeline control. Canva provides a timeline at the bottom of the screen where you can control the sequencing and timing of animations. This feature allows you to precisely control how elements animate. Use the play button in the timeline to preview your animations. Make adjustments as needed to achieve the desired effect. Canva also offers options such as to adjust and erasing smoothness out of animations, adding further controls. Yeah, so Canvas animation features are ideal for creating straightforward animations. Keep your designs and animation simple for its best results. Sketch out your animation ideas beforehand. This helps streamline the design process and ensures your animation is effectively conveying your message. Don't hesitate to experiment with different animation styles, timings, sequences. This experimentation will help you find perhaps the most effective animation for your content. For more advanced motion graphics, consider using export elements from Canva and importing them also into video editing software is to further refinement. So, intuitive design. Canvas interface is user friendly, no need to worry, and accessible. Makes it easy for both beginners and experienced designers to create professional looking designs. So, drag and drop it utilizes a drag and drop functionality, allowing users to easily add elements, text, and images to their designs without needing extensive skill designs. So, extensive skill designs are really what hinders people on their editing. So, Canva provides a vast library of templates for various types of projects, including social media graphics, presentations, posters, flyers, and more. This saves time and provides starting points for design graphics. Design flexibility. So, users can customize templates extensively, adjust colors, fonts, backgrounds, and layouts to suit their brand for personal style. Canva allows users to upload their own images, logos, and other assets, enabling complete customization for designs. So, Canva supports collaboration among team members, allowing them to work design in real time. So this particularly is useful for business organizations with multiple contributors. So users can leave comments and provide feedbacks, directly within Canva. Streamline and revision processes are also included as well. Canva operates a cloud-based platform, meaning users can access their design at an early, beta stage from any devices with internet access. This flexibility enables seamless work from home to office jobs. So, Canva provides options for printing designs directly to their platforms, ensuring that designs are optimized for printing quality. Designs can be exported in various formats as well, so including PDF, PNG, what else? JPEG, and more. So, catering to different publishing and sharing needs. Third-party integrations as well. So, Canva integrates with more other tools and platforms such as Dropbox, Google Drive, and social media channels. This facilitates easy import and export assets design. So, Canva offers a free version as well. As I said, the beta version and basic features, making it accessible to individuals and small businesses. Paid subscription, Canva Pro, unblock additional features and premium content if that's what you wish. So, offers a more suitable and affordable price compared to additional design softwares and courses as well, and design resources through its design school, helping users improve their design skills and make the most out of their platforms features. So that's all there is to Canva, and thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys You guys have a nice day.